Hi, I'm Sarah Stokes and I'm a watercolour painter living in the UK. I've had gallery shows in the UK and in New York with collectors all around the world. I'm represented by De Montfort Fine Art and have licensed prints in Next, Wayfair and on Amazon. I love the immediacy and vibrancy of watercolour, how it splashes, drips and merges. Watercolour doesn't have to be dull or boring. It can be bright, playful and vibrant. That's also why I'm fascinated with painting birds. I'm drawn by their range of colours, their sense of playfulness and the variety of subjects. In this Domestika course, you will step into nature with watercolour to learn how to create beautiful bird artwork. In your final project, you will create a branch of your favourite birds using modern watercolour techniques. To do that, I will explain what is meant by tonal value and why it's so important to the final piece. I will talk about colour theory and all its qualities. And then I'll teach you how watercolour works and how to control it through some exercises to get the effects that you want. After that, I'll show you a range of brush strokes using different brushes and how to trace a bird on watercolour paper. I will explain to you where to obtain some of the best wildlife imagery and how to manipulate them to make them print ready. I will show you how to use them to compose your final image and also how to trace them onto paper. I will teach you how to choose the pigments for your birds and practice mixing and blending colours on scrap paper. I will teach you how to paint for your birds, and later on I'll add a branch and some finishing touches to our work using micron and gel pens. Also, I'll add splashes that can be an effective compositional tool. Finally, I'll show you some more creative ideas using different birds, effects and compositions. By the end of this course, you will be able to paint any animal using watercolour techniques. For this course, you will need paper, a watercolour palette, brushes, and the desire to express your emotions with your hands and your imagination. Art has opened up a whole world of opportunity, creativity, and excitement that I never dreamed possible. It can do the same for you.